being used to run a casino is sought to be substituted by a 2,000-seater passenger vessel, again for running a casino. Admittedly, this is going to be the largest casino in Goa because it is exceeding the complete strength of all the existing casinos and it wants to dominate the scene. This is completely at odds with the statutory provisions which contemplate phasing out of the existing casinos and taking them back to territorial waters if they still want to operate, because the statute only contemplates vessels in territorial waters, not inland waters. So we are telling the court, do not allow this new vessel, which is a 2,000-seater vessel, which has just been constructed. It is on the outer anchorage of the Udupi port. Don't allow it to enter the Mandovi river and to present all of us with a fait accompli. We've been requesting the government through the Advocate General to make it stand clear. Does it want to issue a license for this new vessel or not? Because the understanding of the existing operator is that the license which was earlier being used for the 70-seater vessel merely needs an amendment. He does not have to apply for a fresh license. According to us, this is a completely erroneous understanding of the law and it cannot be done this way. So during the course of arguments, we requested the court to call upon the government to take a clear stand. It did appear that the Advocate General was not in agreement with the stand of the casino operator, and he did say no, it can't be merely amended, but then he was asked to put this on an affidavit. So we are hoping that the government stand will be made clear on affidavit. The point is this: if they can't issue a license for operating a 2,000-seater passenger vessel as a casino, what is the point in allowing it to enter the Mandovi river and be allowed to moor there? And mooring with buoys and making it permanent when it's not going to be permitted to be run as a casino is completely pointless, and that is what we're hoping that the court will be able to appreciate. So